Turbocharge your S3 backups, how S5cmd overcomes download limitations. This podcast is brought to you by Business Compass LLC. We are an Amazon Web Services advanced consulting partner. We build and migrate workloads to Amazon Cloud. Our website is businesscompassllc.com. Our phone number is 973-638-2228. Our email address is contact@businesscompassllc.us. Reduction to the challenge. Amazon S3 is a go-to solution for cloud storage, offering reliability, scalability, and security. However, when downloading large volumes of data from S3, users often need help with performance issues. These limitations can be particularly frustrating for businesses that require frequent backups, leading to extended downtime and inefficiencies. Identifying the problem. The traditional methods for downloading data from S3, such as the AWS CLI, often need to catch up in speed and efficiency. The primary challenges include limited parallelism. Standard S3 download commands typically do not maximize available network bandwidth. High latency. Network latency can significantly slow down the download process, especially when dealing with large datasets. I/O bottlenecks. Disk write speeds can further exacerbate download delays, making the process even slower. Analyzing the performance bottlenecks. Upon closer examination, the main performance bottlenecks in S3 downloads include single-threaded operations. Most tools download files sequentially, which can drastically limit throughput. Network saturation. Not fully utilizing available bandwidth leads to suboptimal download speeds. Disk I/O constraints. Even with fast internet, slow disk write speeds can bottleneck the process, resulting in prolonged backup times. The search for a better solution. Given these challenges, it's clear that a more efficient tool is needed to overcome the limitations of traditional S3 download methods. This is where s5cmd comes into play, offering a powerful alternative that significantly enhances the performance of S3 operations. Introduction to s5cmd. S5cmd is a highly optimized S3 and S3 compatible object storage command line tool. Thanks to its support for concurrent operations, it is designed to perform high-performing operations on large datasets. S5cmd's key features include massively parallel operations. S5cmd can perform thousands of operations in parallel, leveraging all available network and CPU resources. Batch processing allows for executing operations on multiple files simultaneously, drastically reducing the overall processing time. Efficient resource usage. The tool optimizes network bandwidth, leading to faster download speeds. Implementing S5cmd for efficient backups. Using S5cmd for S3 backups is straightforward and can significantly improve download times. Here's how to implement it. Install S5cmd. The tool is easy to install on multiple platforms, including Windows, Linux, and Mac OS. Batch operations. Use S5cmd's powerful batch processing to download multiple files simultaneously. Leverage parallelism. By default, S5cmd utilizes all available CPU cores and network bandwidth, ensuring maximum performance. Installation process for Windows users. For Windows users, the installation process of S5cmd is simple. Download the binary. Visit the official S5cmd GitHub repository and download the latest Windows binary. Add to path. Extract the binary and add its location to your system's path environment variable for easy access from the command line. Verify installation. Open a command prompt and run S5cmd version to ensure the installation succeeded. Comparative performance analysis. When comparing the performance of S5cmd with traditional methods like AWS CLI, the difference is substantial. Speed. S5cmd offers up to 10x faster download speeds due to its parallel processing capabilities. Efficiency. The tool optimizes network and CPU resources, reducing the total time required for backups. Scalability. S5cmd handles large datasets more effectively, making it ideal for enterprise-level backups. Addressing disk write speed limitations. Even with S5cmd's enhanced download capabilities, disk write speed can still be a limiting factor. To address this, use SSDs. Ensure that your backup destination is an SSD to maximize write speeds. Optimize file system. To enhance performance, use files optimized for large file operations, such as NTFS, on Windows. Batch small files. For environments with slow disk write speeds, consider batching small files into more enormous archives before downloading. Conclusion and acknowledgement. S5cmd presents a compelling solution for overcoming the limitations of S3 downloads. By leveraging its parallel processing capabilities, businesses can significantly reduce backup times, improving efficiency and minimizing downtime. For anyone struggling with S3 download performance, Implementing s5cmd is a straightforward and highly effective solution. Thank you for listening to our podcast. Please share this podcast, visit our website and follow our social media links.